What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at variables. Variables are basically the placeholders. For example, if we say x is equal to 25, if you remember like mathematics, if we say x is equal to 26, then if we add two numbers, for example, if it's x is equal to 26 and y is equal to 25 or something, so when we do the x plus y, these values will be replaced. So that's basically the variables. We are going to see how to use this one in Java programming. Okay, here we have, this is the main function, and first I'm going to introduce the variable. To introduce the variable, I'm going to introduce a double type of variable. So let's put double and let's name it as coffee, and I equalize coffee to some number. Coffee is equal to, let's say, 5.28. Now let's say we want to print something like I want coffee movies, something like that. Okay, so to print this one, we have two different way to print. First one is system.out print alone without this ln, and also we can have ln. Now let's see the difference between this ln and without ln. I copy this one. Let me write the one without ln first, because we are going to see the difference of that one. First I'm going to say I want right here. I want, and then let's put coffee. I want to print I want as it is, so I put it in a double quote. But if I want to print the value of the coffee, I just have to put coffee right here. We shouldn't put the double quote mark for this one because we are going to replace the value. And the third one is we are going to put, let's say something, let's put something different, like such as movies or something. But here I'm going to put, instead of print, I put print ln right here, and instead of I want, I'm going to write movies. Okay, movies, and that's it. Now let's try printing this one and see what we get. Okay, let me grab this one on top. Now let's try printing this one. When we print this one, it says I want 5.28 movies. Let me leave a space for this one, so, or I can leave the space after this I want. Okay, let's run this again. So I want 5.8 movies. Instead of this coffee, we replace the number 5.28 is the coffee value that's replaced. When we don't put the quote marks, that will be replaced by the placeholder. Okay, and the next thing is we are going to see what is the difference between this ln. Ln is basically new line. Like if you studied any other language, you know, if you study C programming, we put \n for the new line, but in Java we put ln for the new line. So if you put one more thing after this one, it's going to go to the new line. Let's put something below. Okay, let's put the same thing here. Now inside of the quote mark, I'm going to put apples. Apples. So this apples is going to go to the new line. So when I run this one, this is going to the new line, right? And that's it. That's all about this variables. I'm going to do more videos on Java. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are going to try these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and try them. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.